Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Level Up Learning. So guys, how are you all? I hope you all are fine by the grace of God. So as we all know that a great festival of Diwali is going on nowadays. It is celebrated in India all over with great joy and pomp. Let us learn that why do we celebrate Diwali? Diwali is celebrated because Lord Rama came to Ayodhya after 14 years of exile. Exile means vanvas. It symbolizes the triumph of good over evil. We pray to goddess Lakshmi and she showers the finest blessing of prosperity and wealth. During Diwali, on the Lakshmi Pujan day, we use certain things. So let us learn the vocabulary in English. We use conch, means shank. We use tulsi leaves, means basil leaves. We use sindoor, means vermilion. We also use camphor, means kapoor, and we use agarbatti, that is incense sticks. We decorate our house with different festoons, means toran. We hang a lantern at the entrance of the door, means kandil. We draw a beautiful rangoli at the front of the house. We also lit the earthen diyas. We make different kinds of sweet and savory items. We exchange gifts with our friends and relatives. And at night, we lit the firecrackers. So guys, this is the way the Diwali is celebrated. So once again, wish you a happy Diwali. आपको दिवाली की शुभकामनाएं. तुमच्या सगळ्यांना दिवाळीच्या हार्दिक शुभेच्छा. थँक यू.